and we're just going to dock right now. And it takes about 3 seconds, and the dock will automatically detect that all the components are there and will launch our desktop OS. So there you go. So this is Andromium desktop screen. So it's modeled after Windows 7. So you get a lot of the look and feel of like Windows 7 kind of user interface as well as user experience. So we can see there's widgets on the side, apps, double click to launch them. So this is our browser app. I'll come back to it in a little bit. The first thing I want to highlight is the fact that we have a suite of Andromium apps that's available for our users. Andromium app, unlike most Android apps, you can run them as Windows apps. You can maximize them, you can put them back, and you can also have multiple apps running side by side on top of each other. You can also minimize. So basically how you would interact with Windows 7 is how you would interact with Andromium apps. In addition to Andromium apps, we also support the standard Android apps that the user has installed on their phone. So for example, let's try YouTube apps. So we can bring up YouTube, and YouTube will run as a full screen app because unlike Andromium apps, Android app currently only support full screens. But in addition to the full screen app, you can still run Andromium on top. So for example, we have YouTube running now. We can bring our browser back. Let's go to TechCrunch. And our browser will automatically load up the desktop version of the website you want to go. And it's a full feature browser, so multi-tab functions. So, okay, as you can see, everything in Android still runs in the background. So all your notifications, all your phone calls, everything still comes through. If you have something urgent coming through, you can notice right away. You have both OS running at the same time, essentially. Sorry about the interruption. Let's go back. Okay. So beyond that, again, we're talking about a full feature browser. So if we want, we can, play video. We can play videos online. We can even play some basic HTML5 games. So in our sense, we'll just load up a quick video. Internet seems to be a little bit slow here. Okay, while that's loading, we can talk about other functions of the app. So we can see we have full Android apps along with Andromium running at the same time, and you can interact with them through our taskbar. If you want to get back to your home desk, there's a home button. Click once, and we'll automatically bring you back to the desktop UI. Now on the side, we're supporting the standard set of Android widgets. So I can, once it loads up, I can remove existing widgets. And then I can add them back. So right now we only support widgets on the right side of the UI to have the same kind of Windows 7 look and feel. So for example, I want my CPU widget back. And there we go. So that's how you add and move widgets. Again, we have a suite of games. So if you want to have browsers, you can interact with keyboards. And if you're curious about playing games, it supports the standard set of interfaces like you would Windows 7, which means that has both right-click and left-click capabilities. So if you know how to use